There we go. Hey, backflip. Hello everybody. So if you've seen my Maxx videos, you've seen me, I don't know, beating on this thing, I guess, a little bit. Kind of beating on it pretty hard, but it always smacks, and maybe it's always going to, I don't know. I mean, yeah, if I jump it as big as I did at the skate park, it's probably gonna smack. But I've seen some videos of people changing out the shock oil, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put 80 weight in all the shocks. Yeah, we'll just get into it. So let's see, we gotta undo this, which is like the spring keeper. And I think these shocks have, whoa, 30 weight in them. Like stock is 30 weight. Speaking of that, what am I gonna put this 30 weight oil in? Yeah, I'm unprepared. How about this thing for now? Because I don't want to just go upstairs and get something else. So, whatever. Yeah, so I undid that keeper, and then I got to take the shock cap off and see how it kind of pushes out like that. I don't think you want that, because this isn't a gas-filled shock, it's an oil-filled shock. So this tells me that there's air in it still from the factory, because I don't know, I don't think it should push out. I don't think there should be any pressure in here, just the oil. But I don't know. I don't freaking know. Let's see if I can. Yeah, that's a little better. Okay. So, well, I mean, it's full. There's the rubber nipple. I don't know. Maybe it had some air in it. I don't know. We get any bubbles? I don't know. I never done this, man. I'm just, your guess is as good as mine. So let's just. So there's that. And I'm not gonna do any, like, I'm not gonna put any foreign things inside of here. I mean, if there's some 30. I hope you guys are seeing this. The lighting is somewhat terrible down here. Oh yeah, there's bubbles there. We gotta get some more oil in there though. I don't know if you guys are seeing it, but I'm seeing bubbles. See, you can't come above the surface, then you create more bubbles. Because you grab air and pull it back down with that plunger. Just actuate, nice and easy. See, I'm not seeing any bubbles there. Fill it some more. that's looking pretty good, huh? I don't know. Fill it. Still seeing a few little bubbles. That looks pretty good. So now we'll take this cap. It's got that little rubber deal in there and make sure that stays. Screw this back on. Oh yeah, see how there's oil coming out that top hole there? That's good, I think. That's like a breather. Take this guy. Towel for wiping here. See how it's pushing out like that? I don't think you want that. I think that tells me that there's still air in there. Yeah, so I don't know, do I take the cap back off? Maybe with it fully compressed? I put the cap back on? Oh yeah, look at the oil coming out of there now. I don't know what I'm doing, man. If you're trying to learn from me, chances are you're not. So let's just be real there. Clean some of this mess up. So that seems better, right? I think that was the ticket. Have the thing compressed. I don't know. I'm happier with that than I was with that other deal where it was pushing that cylinder back out on its own quite a ways. So, I mean, that's one. I don't think I need to bring you guys along to do all four, but we'll get this guy put back together. And now the spring should be doing the rebound work. So, there we go. That is quite a bit firmer. I will say that. I've had people say that these are kind of difficult to get back in. Oh, there we go. That wasn't so bad. Well, I don't know. There's one. So I'll do the other 4. Hey, I just wanted to hop back on here quick and just show you. So I've got the fronts done with the 80 weight. I haven't done the rears yet. So if I compress the rear, see how, I mean, I'm not gonna call it like Speed Racer, but you see how fast that returns, how seems kind of springy. Returns up fairly fast, and it's relatively soft to push down. So now the front's done with the 80. See how, I mean, to me it's quite a difference. See how slower it returns? And I do have to push a little harder to get that to compress, but slow, boing, boing, slow, boing, 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 boing. So, I don't know. I just figured I'd show that to you. I don't, like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just doing. So.